Hey guys, what's up? My name is Maximus Arana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I style my hair and yeah, I'll teach you how to do it. So, without further delay, let's dive right into it.
Let's kick off this hairstyle with gently towel dried damp hair. The hair length required to achieve this hairstyle is roughly 5 inches. For this hairstyle, we'll need a spray mousse, a vented brush, a matte clay, and most importantly, an ionic blow dryer which emits negative ions. Now we'll generously apply spray mousse throughout my hair length. All the products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Also in the description you'll find my Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. Don't forget to follow me for some fashion inspiration. Next up, we'll evenly saturate all the hair mousse throughout my hair with the help of a vented brush. Now I'll set my blow dryer to the high heat settings and start drying my hair from the back of my head, as that is the area which is the most problematic one. Eventually, I'll start hacking my way to the midsection of my hair, and lastly, my favorite region, the fringe. Now with the help of a vented brush, I'll make my hair as straight as possible and I'll give it the desired direction and shape. I'll now blow dry the back of my hair frontwards to build that base for some extra volume. As my hair is 80% dry, I'll now set it to the medium heat settings to slowly transition it into its final phase. I'll now take care of my damp midsection and make my hair 100% dry. A pro tip here, always check if your hair is 100% dry before transitioning into the cold heat settings. Now I'll blast my hair with cold heat to lock in my style and give me the desired hairstyle I am eyeing for. You can now go crazy with the blow dryer, as there's going to be 0% damage on your hair. We're almost there and it's time to unveil the finishing product. I'll be using a matte clay to achieve that disheveled look that I am going for. Take a coin-sized amount. Remember, a little goes a long way with matte. Emulsify the product in your palms to get the best out of the product. Make sure to saturate your hair with product from root to tip and then texturize your hair with your fingers to build a strong character in your hairstyle. And that's it.
So that's how I style my hair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at @Maximus_Arana. I post good fashion content every single day, so you don't want to miss out on that. Thanks for watching. Peace.